in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses of one special guy.